Good morning, students. In this week in social we are going through with new block, that is block 24, wages. Firstly we are going to discuss LP1, old world and new world. The aim of the LP1 is to find the differences and similarities between ancient and modern maps of the world. The keywords which are included in this LP1 are old world, new world, ancient, modern. So students, what is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is a like pear shape. And how do you know that? So for many years what the people believed that earth is flat. Okay, it is like this now, but what they believed, earth is flat, it is not a sphere shape. Okay, today we will learn why they thought so, why they thought that it is earth is flat. Okay, so now all of you open your volume 3 page number 40. Okay, write today's date, student. Here you can see a map. Okay, this is an ancient map, means old map. Okay, here you can see, note the differences. Right, some of the places they have been named. Right, here you can see Europe. Right, and these all things, seas also they have mentioned, not ocean, they have mentioned like a seas. Right, so after that you just see the new map, that is the modern map, this one. Okay, so you have to compare the new modern map and old map. Okay, this map, old map and the new map, you have to compare. So when you compare, students, the map in the S1 is 1000 of years old one. Okay, and it is made by an ancient historian. His name is, he is that person who made the old map. He is an ancient Greek historian. His name is Herodotus. What is his name? His name is Herodotus. Sorry. Okay, Herodotus, his name. He is an ancient Greek. He made a old map. Okay, the name of the some ocean, cities and countries you can see in the map. Right, you can see some of the names, some countries, but can you see these all names and these all seas in the present new map? No, they are no longer exist in the new map. Right, so what are the changes happened? See, among the continents we can see only Europe. You can see Europe in the new map as well as in the old map also. Asia, Europe and Libya. What is the Libya is the here now? You can see Libya here, above the Nile river. That Libya, nowadays we call it as Africa. Okay, in old map Libya means Africa only. In present map it is changed to Africa. So the world map in the atlas shows what are the things we can see in the new map, means Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, South and North America. Right, these are the continents in now present in the new map. And we can see 5 oceans also. One is Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. Right, so these are the 5 oceans with 7 continents we can see: Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, North and South America. Right, so these things we can see in the new map. So students, why the Australia, North and South America are missing in the old map? Because people, they have those places are not have been discovered. Right, at that time they had not discovered. So the map in the atlas is much larger than the old map. Now it is discovered now, so that's why it is a bigger, means larger map compared to older map. The names of Asia, Europe and some rivers and location of the oceans are same in the modern map and the old map. But what happened? More oceans and more continents are added in the new map. The new map we called because most of the changes we can see and they most of the continents have been discovered, so we can call as new world. The old world means at that time the continents which are showed in the old map were known, which are very few, and few seas only are present, so that's why they are called old world, right? And new world, Australia, North and South America have been included in the new world. The earth appears like a flat. What they thought, that earth is flat, if we go near to the corner we may fall downside, so that what they have done, they have not sailed across the sea for longer, okay, for longer distance they have not traveled. What they thought, if I traveled longer then I may fall from the earth, they like these things they have thought, so that they believed, so that they have not gone to the edge of the world, like that they thought. But because the people from the Europe and the Asia, they are known to each other because they trade with each other, they have a war with each other, right? Export and import were there between them, that's why the Asia, Europe and Africa had a contact with one another countries, right? So now what you have to do, in page number 40 in volume 3, you have to name the continents in ancient map and modern map, and name the oceans or seas in the ancient and modern map, right? And next thing, write two similarities that you can see between this map and the map of the world in the atlas. So you have to compare this map with the new map, and you have to write the similarities also. You can see some of the countries are same in both, but only some are added, right? And you can see some of the oceans means seas are also present, right? Those similarities you can write. So here we have completed LP1. Now we will go through with LP2.